these people get their weapons one way or another, illegally or not? And who does it keep the guns from? Law-abiding people. And it barely touches the very people that you're trying to prevent from having guns. It just doesn't work.
In reality, it's almost an uncontrollable issue. When we look at those stats, like they're going to find a way to acquire a gun. You can set up all the parameters, but if somebody wants to go around parameters, they're going to do it no matter what.
That's right. And the only thing you do with laws like this is remove the deterrent for the criminal. So it doesn't work. I mean, and so if you're somebody who's for gun control because you hate these tragedies, man, I get it. I totally get it. I'm not ignoring the gravity of those tragedies. What I am saying is the solution doesn't work, one, and you're only going to increase the tragedies. So let's look, and we're going to get into this. This is going to be a long segment, but I find this so fascinating. Like, you go into history, and every time you find a society that's like, we're going to get rid of guns for the sake of peace, you don't get peace. You get great tragedies.